Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Roblox Error Code 773. So there are two ways to do it. The first one is to log into your account in roblox.com and then go to your settings. So in your right corner, you will see the settings icon and then select settings. So in your settings, we will be needing to go to your privacy and then make sure the account restriction is disabled. So just toggle that one to disable the restriction mode and then go to your security. So in your security, just scroll all the way down until you find the log out of all other sessions. So make sure you already know your credentials so that you won't be logged out permanently in your Roblox account. Now the second method that you can try is to go to your Windows and then type in or search for add and remove programs. So this will open up your settings and then you can search for Roblox instead of scrolling all the way down, and then just click the three dots and uninstall Roblox. Now to install Roblox, you have to play any experiences in your Roblox account. Just select any of the game that you wanted to play and then just click the green button right over here and they will detect if you don't have a Roblox application, and then you will be needing to follow the instructions to download the Roblox app. And that are the two methods that hopefully will fix the Roblox error. So that's it guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.